hungry caterpillar! Yay!
Oh, damn! In today's video, we will be doing an easy and fun activity for kids. We will show you how to handprint the very hungry caterpillar. Hi guys! Welcome to Maia and Marga's channel! We're gonna need a paper and some water and paintbrush and paint. So let's get started!
Yay! Yay!
So first we will need our paintbrush to paint our hands. And now we're going to paint our palms green.
Marga, you have to put it here because this is too dark now. Good.
And for our fingers, we paint them blue. You have to go a little faster so the paint doesn't dry. Now it's time to handprint. Make sure to press hard so the paint gets to the paper. Now we're going to repeat the process. Now that we're done with the body, let's go and wash our hands. Now you're just going to paint your palm for the caterpillar's head. And now, for the caterpillar's antenna, we paint our fingers brown. Now we're doing the caterpillar's googly eyes. Now we're done. We hope you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe.